In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the euro symbol in Google Sheets. First, open your Google Sheets document. You can do this in your browser at the Google Sheets homepage, or from your drive, and it works the same whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Chrome OS. Give the sheet a moment to load, especially if it's a larger file, so everything responds smoothly. Next, click the cell where you want the euro symbol to appear. You'll see a bold outline around the active cell and its address in the name box, usually something like A1 or C3. If you want the symbol to sit next to a number, make sure you've selected the exact cell where you plan to place it, because pasting will go right where your cursor is active. Now, copy the euro symbol from another source and paste it into that cell. The simplest way is to copy the character itself. Gears. You can grab it from a trusted web page, a document where the symbol already appears, or your operating system's character viewer or map. On Windows, you can also use the Character Map app to copy it. On Mac OS, the character viewer works great too. Once copied, return to your sheet and paste it using your usual paste shortcut. If you're pasting into a cell that already contains text or a number, double-click into the cell first or press F2 to place your cursor where you want the symbol, then paste. If the symbol doesn't appear correctly, try pasting as plain text to avoid any odd formatting. Most modern fonts and sheets support the euro symbol, but if it looks off, switch the font to something common like Arial or Roboto. After you paste, the euro symbol will appear in your selected cell. Zoom in if you want to check it closely, and adjust the font size or alignment to match your sheet's style. If you plan to use the symbol repeatedly, you can copy it from this cell and paste it anywhere else in the sheet for consistency. One quick tip: if your goal is to display numbers as euro currency across a range of cells, consider using Sheets currency formatting instead of manually inserting the symbol. Currency formatting automatically applies the correct symbol and spacing for numeric values, while the pasted symbol is best for labels, headers, or standalone characters. That's all you need. Open your sheet, choose your cell, copy the euro symbol from a reliable source, and paste it in. Simple, clean, and effective.